Welcome to this first video editing course with Premiere Pro. To start, you can download the video we are going to work on by clicking the link under this one. We open Premiere and we slide the downloaded file here. It is called the timeline. It's where we organize the video. You can move in it with this blue marker. The video can be played with the spacebar or with the play button of the preview window. And we use the same thing to pause. We can see this is a video of me throwing a ping pong ball on a pan and then breaking an egg. And just by cutting the video at the right time, we are going to make this effect where the ball becomes an egg. We need to cut the video so that it stops exactly at the moment of the impact between the ball and the pan. To do this, we will approximatively put ourselves at that moment with the blue marker, and then we will zoom in the timeline by pressing Alt and roll forwards with the cross wheel while aiming for the blue marker. Then, to be even more precise, we will move frame by frame with the arrows of the preview window or with the arrows of the keyboard. Now we want to cut, so we take the cutter tool that we can find on the left side of the timeline or that we can have with the shortcut using the key C from the keyboard. If the shortcut does not work, it is because it is programmed on another key. Just let the cursor on the tool and an annotation will show the shortcut. So we cut at the same place of the blue cursor with the left click, and there we have our video separated in two parts. So we have the cursor between the two videos, so we can wonder from which part of the video is the image we are currently seeing. To answer this, let's delete the first part of the video. We can do that by right-clicking then delete, or you can just select the part you want to delete and press the delete button on your keyboard. And now we still see the image. It means that the frame is part of the second part of the video. So when you cut, you have to have in mind that the frame we see is in the right side of the blue cursor. And as we want this frame to be part of the first part of the video, we will cut one frame further. First, we have to cancel the actions we have done. With Ctrl Z, we go one frame further, we cut, then let's look for the second part of the video with the egg on the pan. We cut, and now we need to connect these two. And instead of deleting manually the part in the middle and then connect the two, we can do it automatically by right-clicking on the part we want to delete, and we click on Ripple and Delete. Next, I will show you how to improve this effect with masks. You can delete the video you have downloaded at the beginning.